Pradesh prepares itself for the most crucial phase of elections. It's the big test for secular parties as minority-centric states are set to vote. As 67 seats are up for grabs in phase 2 of Uttar Pradesh elections, and shortly people will start casting their ballot.
Well, absolutely, Poonam. Now it's a make or break test for the SP, in fact, in the Congress Gathbandhan, and an unprecedented test for BSP and its Supremo Mayawati. It is the phase that could swing the polls in one party's favor or the other. Our Deputy Chief Editor Tanvi gets us this report on the caste politics in the state.
Let's listen in to what Aparna Yadav of the Samajwadi Party had to say.
I have particularly declared my constituency that I will make it the best Vidhan Sabha in the whole of Uttar Pradesh if I become the MLA. And of course, by the grace of God, when I become the MLA, I will declare it as a zero crime zone and will work towards it, by putting in more cameras and, improving Mahila Thanas and posting of Mahila constables and officers in the Thanas. So a lot of things are there, and I guess there are other drainage systems and sewage system which has to be worked upon. Those are local issues which have to be addressed, which have already been addressed by me without becoming an MLA, and I want to discuss it with my people in the constituency, what better work I can do.
We begin with this rally on the outskirts of Lucknow. All around me, it's a sea of blue as supporters of Mayawati wait for the arrival of the BSP Supremo. It's going to be a big rally, even though this is not a stronghold of BSP or Mayawati. But in these elections, a few weeks ago, the political pundits expected that Mayawati would emerge as a strong contender between the Congress and Samajwadi Party alliance and between the growing support for the BJP. It looks like she may have a tough time winning this election. Nevertheless, her caste politics continues. It's not about development, it's not even about the women's security issues in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Mayawati's caste politics continues to be at the forefront as we look into the third phase of elections for Uttar Pradesh.